Well, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel on this beautiful sunny Florida day. And it's just a little bit breezy, but there is not a cloud in the sky. It's just really gorgeous out today. A little on the cool side, but it's not bad. But hey, if you've liked what you've seen so far, or if you like what you see, consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you get all the latest videos. Smash that like button and share it with your friends. I need help getting everybody out there to know what I'm doing and so on and so forth. So we're going into the shop today again. I've got a, you probably can't see this because I'm staring at the sun. All right, let's go in here. All right. So I went over some stuff on that 700 the other day, and what we're gonna do. I've got to get this bench cleaned off because I got to get this other 4L80 tore down. Like I said in one of my earlier videos, I'm building that one for a buddy of mine, and it was damaged so bad that I got to see what kind of parts I can get out of this one. So I've got to get this cleaned off again, get a clean slate to start over, and get the 4L80 tore down. So anyway, I'm gonna set you up on a tripod and probably whiz through this a little fast, and then we'll get this 4L80 mounted. So here we go. Okay, y'all, I got asked in another video about a snap ring, and the snap ring that we're referring to is the center support snap ring. I'm going to show it to you here on the camera. This center support snap ring, and you can't see it on my hand because my hands are all oily, but the center support snap ring is beveled, and it goes right on the top of the center support. And we get a towel here, you'll be able to see this better. Okay, here we go. On this white towel, if you look at the end of that snap ring, see it is beveled. That bevel goes up when it's in the case, and it does make a difference. You can't turn it upside down and it work. It just won't happen. So there you go. That snap ring is beveled. The 700R4 does not have any beveled snap rings, but the 4L80 does, and that's the only one. It goes right on top of the center support. So there you go. Okay, y'all, what I was showing you in that video, or what I was pointing to, was a snap ring that's not in the right place. The two openings of the snap ring is supposed to be at 9 o'clock, and that one is slid more like towards 11 o'clock, which that's what the center support sits on. So what I'm trying to do is get it to the point where I can pull it out with a pair of pliers, and as you can see here, that's what I'm doing. And just basically walking it out, and there you go, one snap ring. So anyway, that's what the deal is. Well, y'all, I told you it's been a while since I've done one of these on a regular basis. I figured out why the center support won't come out. This old case, let me show you. You've got two oil cooler line fittings. You got that one and you got your return down there. Well, if you notice, on this one, both cooler lines are missing. The deal is you have to take that cooler line fitting out for the center support to come out. It won't come out unless you do that. So let's get it out and I'll get the rest of it apart. Y'all, I'm not afraid to admit my mistakes. I mean, it's just things like that happen. Find my 19. Oh, good Lord. Just have a feeling it's going to be a knuckle buster, but let's put the impact on it. And it comes right out. Now let's see if that doesn't allow us to get our center support out. Yeah, look at there. I'll tell you something sure didn't sound good in the bottom of this dude though. Alright, so let's get this one apart. I know something didn't sound real good in this thing. Bearing looks good. Kind of got a funky pattern to it though. Look at planetaries. Play feels okay on them. They look alright. Alright. Need to look at the center support and the low roller. Planetaries all look good there. So really everything there on the center support looks alright. bushing looks okay too. I got blowout on my glove. Alright, let's look at these clutches here. They get a few hot spots on them. The steels anyway. And they show evidence of slippage. But they're all intact, which that's a good thing. Alright, let's see what we got here. This one looks like it might be cooked. Pretty dark. Well, they're not too bad. They've definitely seen their better days. I think this one was just starting to slip. Housing looks to be in pretty good shape. Sprag's operating correctly. It's just clutch crap on there. You can wipe that off. Comes off pretty easy. So that one looks alright. Bands aren't too bad. Of course they'll get replaced. Let's see what our fourth looks like here. Fourth actually looks pretty good. Of course, it's not going to take, you know, the blunt of the abuse. That one looks all right. These clutches look unscathed, good shape on those. Now, this is the one I really want. And this one already looks better than the rest. It's not multicolored. It does look like it's been slipping. Well, it may have been discolored, but it's really not too shabby. Got some hot spots in it, but yeah, these look pretty good. So I'd say this housing is usable, so that's good for him. Alright, now the numeral, biggest thing we need right here. So we need this pump to be in good shape. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, guys, this one looks to be in real good shape. Yeah. Let's pull these pump gears out. Yeah, these These gears have very little wear on them. Yeah, this one's rebuildable. I mean, the front pump bushing's trashed on it, but that's not uncommon. We're gonna put a new one in there anyway. So yeah, this one's in good shape. He'll be happy with that. Even the bushings aren't too bad. Alright guys, so this 4L80 is definitely rebuildable. So we'll load everything up in the bins and we'll get it to the shop and get it cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and disassemble the rest of it. You've already seen that in another video. So we will get this thing apart, and like I said, I'll take everything to the shop and get it all cleaned up, and then we'll start reassembling everything and putting it back together, and we'll use this case, especially since the other one had a broken ear off the top here, which is common if you've never done one on the new style like an LS motor. LS uses this top bolt where the standard blocks don't. Yeah, that's a good deal. So I'm not going to record the rest of the tearing down of the deal. Like I said, you've seen it in the other videos. So that's going to do it for this video. So if you liked what you've seen, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you get all the latest updates. Share it with your friends. I really appreciate you all stopping by and checking out my videos. I hope you learned something from them. With that being said, until next time, keep on a-wrenching. God bless y'all. Take care of each other. Take care of yourself. And we'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye-bye.